everybody, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do another quick timed challenge because you guys really seem to be liking these. And so I'm gonna do a full glam makeup look in 10 minutes. I have no idea what I'm gonna grab for. I just kind of wanted to sit down and get this video up for you guys. So it's gonna be a little bit of a surprise for myself as well. I have my timer out here. 10 minutes, ready, set, go. Okay, so I'm gonna start with skin, and you guys have seen me use sprays a lot as moisturizers, which is what I do when I don't have a lot of time to just like do proper skincare, but my face is cleansed from the shower. Now what I'm going to do, I get so nervous and tongue-tied. Okay, I'm gonna take my foundation and also a little bit of this highlighting liquid. This is the Maybelline Superstay Stick Foundation, which I think stick foundations are a game changer when you're trying to do your makeup really quickly. Look at all this acne right here. I need to just like go over that a few times, spread it around. And this is in the shade you guys asked me, Nude Beige, and it's a little bit pinky tone, but what I do is color correct with my yellow tone concealer. So I first do that, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of this highlighting liquid right on my cheekbones. I love mixing highlighter in with my foundation because it just gives my skin, which is really dry, a nice radiant glow. So what you can do in the beginning is mix your moisturizers with your foundation with the highlighter to really kind of consolidate and save steps. So I'm just pushing that into my hairline, gonna make one nice even tone. Now this is definitely like a medium coverage foundation. I like a full, so I kind of like to place it first, see where I might need more coverage, and just build on top of that. I'm even gonna save time by prepping my eyelids with this. You can also do this with your concealer, which I might add, but let's see where we're at. Skin always takes a long time. I usually start with eyes, but I'm gonna start with skin because that always takes me longer on these videos. Do you like how big these hoops are? Oh my god, I'm just like in love with them. $6 at H&M, guys. So cheap and easy. Do not spend more than $10 on a set of hoops. Okay, so I have that down, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take, oh my god, where is it? Okay, I'm gonna just take Heart Shape Tape. I wanted to use Too Faced. I'm gonna go ahead and do a pretty good amount under here because I want a lot of brightening. Go around eyebrow area and down here. I'm gonna almost like mimic a contour a little bit as well because I don't know if I'm gonna have time to contour, so I'm just gonna have to do it with my concealer. So I love the Tarte Shape Tape because it's full coverage. You don't need to like keep layering. You actually probably don't even need this much, but I'm in light medium honey, and if you want something where you almost like don't even need to set it, this is why I'm choosing products that are kind of like you can apply it and just like forget it. You can get out the door. So I love that about Tarte Shape Tape. It kind of dries down to almost like a matte finish, even underneath the eyes. Let's just work that in. Push, push, push with your sponge. I love this to make it look the most natural. Okay, now I am going to quickly set underneath the eyes. Oh, okay, maybe I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna actually, what I'm gonna do is go in with my crease shade. I'm gonna take my bronzer. I'm gonna let the skin sit for a second, take Hoola, and go right into the crease. This is one of my favorite crease colors, is using a bronzer as your crease shade. So just work that in with a big fluffy brush. This is by Morphe. I'm also gonna take a small brush. I don't even know what eye look I'm doing. This is gonna be completely winging it. I'm gonna take this underneath the eye as well. Go side to side. I'll go a little bit farther down so it really kind of just smokes out that look. I'm at 6 minutes and 30 seconds already somehow. I'm gonna go ahead and take a brown liner. It's not sharpened at all, but what I'm gonna do is just put it pretty thick on my lid right here and get really smudgy. So we're almost like, it's not a perfect line. That's why if you're in a rush doing like a wing liner, there's no way I can do that. So I'm just gonna do something like this and make it really soft and blown out and kind of just bring it upward a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of my mascara, and I'm going to apply a few coats. Just like this. This is the Too Faced one, Better Than Sex. This has been so good, you guys. It's a really good mascara. So I'm just applying that here. And then you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but I'm gonna do false eyelashes. I think I'm gonna go for it. I'm choosing one that has a thicker band so that I don't need to have perfect liner. I think just adding this is going to really just make my eye makeup look a lot more intense. So I'm just applying a little bit of Kiss lash glue. I think that, yeah, this is Kiss. I love this one, you guys. It dries in like 20 seconds, or it gets tacky, I should say, in 20 seconds, so you don't have to wait forever. That's why I love it. Oh gosh, which eye is this? Okay. Oh no, I can't even tell. Okay, I'm just gonna like hope for the best and assume this is the left eye. So once it turns like a little bit blue, it's ready to go that quickly. And what I like to do is start in the center of the eye, go down to the outer corner, make sure everything lines up okay. I'm gonna get started on the other one while that's drying. Oh my gosh. So yeah, you have like a really full looking lash really quickly without having to do like a perfect gel eyeliner or anything like that. Like efficient girl hacks right here. Okay, I'm just coating that other lash right now, and I'll check on this one here as we go. Let's see how we are doing on time. Well, it's getting tacky. 4 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay, got a little glue there, but that's okay because it's clear. I don't know why I do this to myself. This is so stressful. Okay, so place that down, get the corners down, and just start letting that adhere to the skin. I'm gonna get started on the brows. Oh no, I don't know where my brow stuff is. Okay, let's see. That has blue eyeshadow on it. This is when reality strikes, guys. I am not that organized. It's so bad. Okay, I'm losing time, like a lot of time. Okay, I'm gonna have to go with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow product. So I'm gonna just work this in. I actually really like this. It's almost like an eyeliner, but for your brows. And I'm just flicking it upward in the front. And then since I have a dramatic lash, it really starts to show. Let's see, I'm gonna use my finger to kind of just, if I make any mistake. Okay, this is gonna be like a more bushy brow, not like a perfect sculpted brow. That's okay. All right, I'm gonna do this. Just go upward. Okay, so I wanna do the lower lash line too now, before I forget. So let's see. I'm gonna take, I wanna take like a darker eyeshadow and a small brush. Oh my God, this is so stressful. Okay, I'm gonna take something in here. I wanna take this guy and mix it a little bit with this one and just go underneath. Just to make it a little bit more intense. And now I'm gonna take my bronzer, which is Hoola. And I didn't set my face because I kind of want that skin to look glowy, and I just didn't have time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work that Hoola in. How much time do I have left? 2 minutes, okay. 2 minutes. I like the way that looks. I'm gonna go in with some blush now. What blush do I want to do? You guys, I so did not prepare for this. I think I'm going to do Melba, just on the same brush because I don't have clean brushes. And I'm just going to work that right on the apples of my cheeks. Melba is my favorite go-to blush. I almost don't feel like I need highlighter because I'm like feeling really sweaty, and I feel like that's it's working as my highlighter. And now I'm going to take, I think I'm going to take Amazonian by Maybelline. This is, I have about 1 minute left. It's like a really rich, beautiful brown tone. And work that in. Oh, there's this little brush. I want to like correct underneath a little bit. I feel like I used a little too much blush. I'm going to go back in with this. Just kind of erase a little bit of that. Then I'm going to go, I don't know how much time I have left. I'm going to quickly set everything so it doesn't look so cakey. And then go in with this shimmer shade if I have time in this palette. Hit the inner corners. I'm still going. Okay, so my camera just died, but also the timer just went off. So that was 10 minutes to do a glam makeup look. And this is not highlighter, this is just straight up sweat. But I wanted to show you guys the look that I created. I felt like I almost picked a little bit too heavy of a lash, but I skipped powder. I didn't do a lot of eyeshadow. I didn't do liner, and it looks like I did liner. It's because of that lash style. So you don't have to do liner. Like for me, I actually prefer myself without liner. It closes up my eye a little bit. So I do this a lot as a way to speed up my beauty routine. I chose a liquid lipstick, which I probably wouldn't have done if I didn't, you know, I prepared a little more for my 10-minute glam. I just grabbed what was in front of me, but liquid lipstick takes a little bit longer. So it's not the most perfect looking liquid lip, but to speed it up even more, I think if I just did a lipstick that was creamy and easy to apply, that would have saved time. But yeah, I think I'm really happy with this. It's very warm and glowy, very sweaty at the same time. So I like to mix my steps to save me time, like the moisturizer move with the highlighter. And just kind of like trying to consolidate steps, skipping the eyeliner when I can, and you know, doing something like, you could even do brow gel to make that go faster. Tinted brow gel would make brows going so fast, and you can really just focus on your key features, which is like if you're doing a smoky eye. Please request anything you guys would like to see next. I love when you guys share in the comments what you're interested in seeing. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.